Hello, this is Maths Made Simple. Please remember to like and subscribe, and this is a video on converting percentages to decimals and fractions. So here we have some percentages and we're going to convert those to both a decimal and a fraction. The key thing here is to firstly know what percent means. Well, percent means out of 100, so 70% here we have 70%, so we want 70%, which simply means 70 out of 100. Yeah, this line here, for your note, means divide, so that means 70 divided by 100. Just to make it simple, it's 70.0 divided by 100. And to divide by 100, move our decimal point 2 places to the left. So 1, 2, which equals 0.7. Okay. Now that is as a decimal. Now as you can see, to get it to a fraction, we have 70 over 100. And we want to get that in its simplest form. So to get a factor in its simplest form, we first find a common factor both the numerator and the denominator. As 70 and 100 both end in a 0, I know they have a common factor of 10 because they both divide by 10. So we're simply going to divide them both by 10 here. So 70 divided by 10 equals 7, and 100 divided by 10 equals 10. So 7/10 is its simplest form. So 70% equals 0.7 as a decimal, and in its simplest form it's 7/10. Next one, we have 15%. Again, that means 15 out of 100, which equals 15.0 divided by 100. And when we divide by 100, move our decimal point 2 places to the left, okay, which equals 0.15. Now to get 15 over 100 or 15 out of 100 in its simplest form, we need to find a common factor and divide both the numerator and the denominator for that common factor. So we're looking at the factors of 15. We have 1, 15, 3, and 5. Okay. I know that 5 also is a factor of 100 because 5 times 20 is 100. So I'm therefore going to divide both 15 and 100 by 5. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And 100 divided by 5 equals 20. So 15% therefore is 0.15 as a decimal, and it's 3/20 as a fraction in its simplest form. Next one, we have 78%, which is 78 over 100. To get this fraction in its simplest form, I'm going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2 because they are both even. Therefore, if both the numerator and denominator are even, they both divide by 2. So 78 divided by 2 equals 39, and 100 divided by 2 equals 50. Can we simplify that further? Well, I don't think we can. We look at the factors of 39. We have 39, we have 1, 39, 3, and 13. None of those divide into 50, therefore 39 over 50 is its simplest form. And to convert 78 over 100 to a decimal, we have 78 0.0 divided by 100, and to divide by 100, we move our decimal point 2 places to the left, which equals 0.78. Okay. Next one we have 95%, which again is 95 over 100. As the numerator ends in 5 and denominator ends in 0, I know they both divide by 5. Therefore, I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 5, because 5 is a common factor of both numerator and denominator. So 100 divided by 5 equals 20. 95 divided by 5 is 19. If you're unsure, just use your division method here. How many times does 5 go into 9 once? Remainder of 4. How many times does 5 go into 45? 9 times. Okay. So 19/20 is in its simplest form. Now to get 95 over 100 as a decimal, we simply do 95.0 divided by 100. So we're going to move our decimal point 2 places left, which equals 0.95. Okay. Next one we have 44%, which again is 44 over 100. Both the numerator and denominator are even, therefore they both have a factor of 2, a common factor of 2. I'm going to divide both by 2. 44 divided by 2 equals 22. 100 divided by 2 equals 50. Again, they're both even, so I have a common factor of 2. I'm again going to divide both by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 50 divided by 2 is 25. That is in its simplest form, as 11 is a prime number and doesn't go into 25. Now to convert 44 over 100 to a decimal, we can simply do 44 divided by 100. 44, 0 divided by 100. Move our decimal point 2 places left. Okay, we have 0.44. And last question, we have 32%, which again is 32 over 100. Again, both the numerator and denominator are even, so have a common factor of 2. Therefore, I'm going to divide both by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 50 divided by 2, 100 divided by 2 is 50. Again, they're both even, so we're going to again divide by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Okay. So that is in its simplest form. Therefore, to get 32 over 100 to a decimal, we simply do 32 divided by 100. Yeah, and we move our decimal point 2 places to the left, which equals 0.32. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please remember to like and subscribe, and thank you.